Assalamu alaikum, your boy Trinity will. Today, I get a roti from Dinoi. So, Dinoi call her and say, hey, Kore, we seen by? I'm bringing a roti for you, boy. I say, eh? I say, serious? He say, yeah. I say, alright. I said, well, I'll waiting on the roti. So, I get the roti here. This roti real big, boy. Check the size of this roti. Dinoi bring for me. Right? So, wasn't expecting this roti. They know he surprised me with a roti. Can't get any better than that. Eh? You could get better than that. So we're gonna check out this roti. Partner Tino. Tino brought this roti from down south. This is a south side roti. Check the roti, guys. So there you have it, a big roti. Wow, this is a big roti. This roti was supposed to eat just so I just want to show the inside the roti. See that? Nice. So the roti is so big it's breaking up. Pepper tasty, real tasty. Pepper real tasty. Yeah, boy, you know. Big up the no anti-veg. Thanks to you, by the know. Got a nice. Kite of this roti. Tasty, babe. Real chicken too. This is tasty, man. Do you know you say every time you eat a roti, you think about me. I'll bring a roti for me. And a red solo to wash it down. Big up on yourself. I can't eat it like that again. I'll open it out. See, Papa? A lot of flavor. This roti was good. Big up the anti-vets. Thanks very much for the roti. It's tasty. Pepper on point. Love you all. And out. The boy Trinity.